First tonight, poisonous gas empties a hotel swimming pool. Good evening, I'm Rob McCartney. Brandy's off. We brought you the breaking news live at 5:30 from 35th and Broadway in Council Bluffs. Some guests at the Quality Inn & Suites were dizzy. Others struggled to breathe. KATV News Watch 7's Dave Roberts is there live with the update.
As guests get tucked into their beds, some will never forget being ripped out of their rooms. As carbon monoxide filled the hotel and in the swimming area, it filled people's lungs.
A silent killer made a lot of noise Sunday afternoon.
I was just in my room watching the NCAA tournament, and she knocked on my door and said it's time to go.
Going meant living. Firefighters say carbon monoxide filled the Quality Inn & Suites hotel pool room and began to spread through the guest rooms.
30 parts per million will evacuate people. This was 600, so it was very high.
The poisonous gas injured 4 people, relatives of the owners staying at the hotel for spring break. 2 went to the hospital dizzy, struggling to breathe. Oxygen helped the other 2, while firefighters checked anyone potentially exposed. The evacuation scene created confusion among guests, especially those planning on a swim.
I was shocked, and I'm just glad. We had planned to go like an hour earlier, and we would have been there, so I'm glad we weren't there.
It's a good hotel to stay at. I mean, I don't know what's going on.
Investigators believe the carbon monoxide came from the pool heater when the owner turned it on.
He had reports this morning that the water was a little cool, and I think just before noon he turned on that boiler to heat the water up.
And of course, all those guests that were hospitalized were being told that they're probably going to be okay, but we were unable to get an update this evening. Also, all the guests, as we said, are back in their rooms tonight. Now, that pool heater, it's going to have to be inspected by a heating and air technician before anyone can turn it on, and it must pass all of its codes tests. Dave Roberts in Council Bluffs. Back to you.
All right, Dave, thanks.